Today I'm going to show you how to use Cheat Engine 5.3 or 5.4. Open up Cheat Engine, click on the shining thing, click Windows list, and you want to find the website you are on or the game you are playing. And mine is EnglishBanana.com, so yeah. I click on that, click OK, or double click. Now your current score you have, you want to type that in on Cheat Engine. Like mine is 650, so I type in 650 and type in first scan. Alright, 650 first scan. Now you end up with a bunch. Now you want to use monkeys to lower your amount of money. So I use 2 to drain it to 110. So I have 110. So I want to open up Cheat Engine and type in 110. Next scan. I will end up with 1 or 2. Click one of those, like both of them or one of them. Now right click both of them or one, and go all the way up to change record, and then you will find value. Click on that, change it to a high amount but not too high, or else it will not work. Now minimize Cheat Engine and sell your monkeys, and now you should end up with a ton of money. And now you will end up with this when you buy a lot of them, and it will be really hard to lose. I doubt you will. And yep, that's what would happen. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment.